these arms where you belong. It feels so right, so right. How can it be wrong? There's something in the way you kiss that makes me wanna hold you tight. I know that nothing can be wrong. That feels so right. Oh, yeah. Each time we touch, you thrill me so. It means so much, so much. I can't let you go.